So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see here right hand side, you can see this is a search button to click, and then type your model number which is required. Okay, Gigabyte B840M Eagle Wi-Fi 6, then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click of the title of the motherboard. Then click to support. You can see this is your motherboard. Click on support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10, 11. Select any you are using. Installation process same, which is I am showing you. Okay, you watch this video and follow that. Chipset, the AMD chipset driver. Click to download. You can see here already. You can start here. Then send open chipset driver. Just open it. Then click to yes. Now you can see it is installing. Then click close it installed.